Hey guys, Chris here with Phantombuster, and in this video we're going to look at the Instagram followers auto-follow phantom available on phantombuster.com. This is an updated and optimized version of the Instagram auto-follow phantom, and with this new phantom you'll be able to auto-follow a list of followers from a single Instagram profile. You'll be able to set it to automatic and follow a maximum of 40 new followers per hour, and you'll also be able to curate your strategy by excluding private profiles. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started using this phantom, you want to head on over to phantombuster.com. Then I'm going to click on Browse Phantoms. Next, I'm going to go to the left-hand margin and click on Instagram. And then you'll see Instagram followers auto-follow phantom. Now, if I click on the title, I'll be taken to the Phantom overview page, which will give me an overview of exactly how this phantom works. And if I click on the tutorial tab, I'll get a step-by-step breakdown on exactly how to set up this phantom. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and click on Use this phantom. Now, you should already have the Phantombuster Chrome extension installed on your browser. All you need to do is click on Connect to Instagram, then click Save. Now here's where you tell the phantom which profile you want to follow their followers with. So I've already pulled up a copywriting Instagram profile, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the URL, select all, and click copy, and then go back to my phantom, and in the input section I'm going to right click and choose paste. Then I'll click save. Now here's where you tell the phantom the behavior or the number of profiles to follow per launch. Now keep in mind, Instagram has very strict auto following limits. Now we recommend a maximum of 40 profiles per hour in order to keep your account safe. And if you bypass this by too much, you'll have to update your session cookie more often. And keep in mind, this phantom will follow a maximum of 100 profiles per launch. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to change this to 10. And under the advanced settings, you have some more options. You can exclude private profiles. You can only follow profiles with a minimum number of followers. You can only follow profiles with a minimum number of posts, and you can process follower profiles only once. So I'm going to exclude private profiles. I'm also going to check only follow profiles with a minimum number of followers. So I'll type in 100. So I'm only going to follow followers of this Instagram profile that have more than 100 followers, and then only follow profiles with a minimum number of posts. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'll just say 10 posts. So everything else looks good, and if I want to rename the result.csv file that gets output, I can also do that. But I'll go ahead and close this, and I'll go ahead and click save. Now here's where you tell the phantom how many times you want to launch. If you choose repeatedly, you can use the drop down to choose how many times you want this to launch per day, and you can also choose to launch this only during working hours from 9 to 5. So for now, I'm just going to leave this as manual, but you can also do repeated advanced settings, or every time another phantom finishes, or just run it once. But I'm just going to run this manually. And then you can also choose your notification options in case of an error, in case of success, or other advanced notification options. I'm just going to leave this as none. And then under the advanced settings, you can set up a proxy and other folder management settings. But for now, everything looks good here, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now we're taken to the Phantom overview page, and my Instagram followers auto-follow phantom is ready to launch. All I need to do now is click on launch. And depending on how many followers you're processing per launch, this may take some time. Alright, so now my Instagram followers auto-follow phantom has finished running. If I want to get a preview of all of the new accounts that I've followed, all I need to do is click on the result.csv file and the eye preview icon. This will give me a list of all the people that I've now followed, and I can get their profile URL, profile name, full name, bio, and a bunch of other data. If I want to download this into a spreadsheet, all I need to do is click on Download CSV and choose where I want to save it on my hard drive. Alright, so that was how to run the Instagram followers auto-follow Phantom. To get started using this Phantom, be sure to go to phantombuster.com and create your account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.